In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in cheats that come with the Retroarch Emulator.
So guys, once you're on Retroarch, you want to go to the main menu, and now you want to click on Online Updater. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then click on Update Cheats. It's now going to download the cheats.zip file. Once that's been downloaded, now we're going to go back. Once you've downloaded the zip file, you want to open up your game. So now once you open up your game, you want to go back to the main menu, and now you want to select Quick Menu. Make sure that your game is open, by the way. Now we're going to scroll down, and then click on Cheats. We're going to scroll down again, and then select Load Cheat File Replace. And now you want to find the console that you're playing on. I'm playing on Dreamcast, so I'm going to scroll down till I find Sega Dreamcast. You want to find your own console. Here it is for me, Sega Dreamcast. It should now be showing all the games that are on that console. For me, I'm going to find my game. It's going to be... Here it is. So you want to find your game. Here's my game right here. I'm going to click on it. And now once you select your game, now you want to scroll down. And you should now be seeing all the cheats that are available for your game. I'm just going to enable some right now. I'm going to click on it and then click on enable. I'm going to go back. I want to enable this one as well. So that's 2 cheats I want to enable. And now once you've enabled your cheats, now you want to click on Apply Changes. And now once you've enabled your cheats, we can now scroll up and then click on Apply After Toggle. Just turn this on. And you could also turn on Auto Apply Cheats during game load if you want to, which will auto apply your cheats when your game will load in. So yeah, that's how you enable cheats. So now if I go back to my game, there we go, my cheats are now enabled. That's how you do it.
That's how you use the built-in cheats that come with the Retroarch Emulator that are pre-installed and are free to use.